I'm up to no good again. I got the U-Haul in the back and we're heading up north, up to 400 to Wabashine, Ontario. Gonna grab my next project.
I've got dogs in here, they're gonna make a lot of noise.
Okay, yeah. Well, I just want to show you my newest project. This is going to be something spectacular here. Well, my new snowmobile. And there it is. Yeah, most of the parts are in boxes and totes. Look at this. There's the top of the cylinders. There's the flywheel fan, cranks down there. Yeah, comes in boxes. Build your own adventure. And there's another box of goodies. It actually looks a little overwhelming. So I bought myself a little project. And the goal is to slowly pick away at this thing and get it back running. As you can see, most of the important stuff came in two crates here. If I get this thing going, this is going to be my biggest accomplishment, I think, because piecing this together is not going to be easy. I'm sure you're wondering what this is. Well, it's 440cc fan cooled, and it's pretty unique and very rare. That's why I decided to tackle this, and I think I'll have fun. Let's see if I can give you a sneak peek on what this is. All right, here, this might say it. See that? Yep, you got that right. It's a Harley Davidson snowmobile. How rare is that? When I saw this for sale, I just had to get it. Now, if you actually want to see the body of this thing, it's a big disaster. Look at that. Look how crappy this is. But guess what? The more of a piece of shit it is right now, the better feeling I'm gonna have once I get it going. Look at that. A true Harley Davidson, 910 miles. Most of the chrome is okay. Of course, there's some rust spots, but this is a 1974. Let's look at the front here. 1974 Harley Davidson. Chrome, dirty chrome skis. Lots of work here. This is going to be a project. Lots of work, lots of fun. I already been doing my research on these things. I have a lead on some parts locally. Most of it's in those boxes. Look at the layer of dust. This is a true find. Let me try taking the hood off and show you what's not underneath the hood, but just give you an idea of what I'm dealing with here. Blue windshield. I love the blue windshields. Look at that. A whole bunch of nothing. Let's see if I can get this thing rolling again. It's going to be a long-term project. I'm in no rush. Just when I'm bored, I'm gonna clean it up, put things together. It's gonna be like a puzzle. Here's one more look at this thing. Seat's a disaster, but guess what? The foam is not a disaster. It's still good. It has a nice looking tunnel. That is going to polish up spectacular in true Harley Davidson shiny chrome fashion. All original. I don't know how many of these were made. Harley only made snowmobiles 1971 to 1975. Can't wait to get rolling on this guy. I wanted to take this video because this is as dirty as it's gonna be. I'm very anxious to get going and cleaning this thing up. You know, I won't stay like this too long, but it's always good to have a starting point of what I began with, and see what I can take it to. The main thing is getting this motor back together. They said it, you know, over, I don't know, 15 years ago, they had engine problems, or maybe even longer. It lost spark. That's a common problem with these. The CDI box went. I already have a source on the new CDI box that's stronger than original, but also one of this pistons seized in the cylinder, so the one piston's missing. I gotta source a piston and probably rebuild the crank and hone out the cylinders. Keep posted. I'm gonna be doing some videos as I go along with this project, and we'll see where I can take it and see how long it takes before we hear the nice exhaust of this Harley Davidson. Okay, I already took the hood off and all the plastics. That's in storage already. We don't need that to the very end. It's easier to keep it like this. I already got stuff sitting in oil. I got the parts bin open and inspecting everything. Slowly but surely, this thing will come together. Well, there you have it, my 1974 Harley Davidson snowmobile. Kind of a project going on here, but that's how it sits right now. Let's see how this goes. One last thing to show you here. Well, we got the clutch sheave off. Gonna polish that up. Cleaned and freed up the crank pretty nicely. Like, look at this. I wonder if I can spin it with one hand. No. Check out this. Of course, it needs some work. Bearings actually look good. This rod bearing is suspect, but for the age, it looks spectacular.